Not really. I'm not a great dancer. So, all right. Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you've joined me right now. It's Christy Grace with CGSP. Today I'm doing something with you guys that I like to do sometimes when I get writer's block or when I'm bored or when I just need something to take my mind off of everything else. So I am gonna make a cake. I like to do things easy. So we're making a packet cake today. It's a confetti cake and it's got little rainbow flecks in it, which is really fun and exciting. So I've been waiting to do this for a while. I've had it in the cupboard and I thought now would be a great time to do it with you guys. Fun fact about my apron, I made this. So back like, I don't know, like 8 years ago when I was in school, I made it. So Mum got me the material because it was like dogs. Okay, so packet cake, super easy. I'm gonna follow the instructions on the back. I've got all my stuff ready to go. I already pulled it all out. So I needed 2 eggs. This is my mixing bowl over here. I might just grab a spoon. All right, we got a spoon. Just because we're probably gonna need to mix it before we use the electric mixer. But I like to blare music when I'm doing that and dance around anyway. So that's something fun to look forward to. Not really. I'm not a great dancer. So, all right, so we're gonna open this one up. Sometimes they have icing in them that's included. This one doesn't, so we're gonna have to make that ourselves. Just need like icing sugar and stuff. So that'll be fine, and we'll do that after we've done that anyway. So we're gonna pretty much just add everything that was on the ingredients list into a bowl, and we're gonna mix it. Super easy, super simple, and it's just, you know, the way it goes. So, alrighty. Glad it didn't go everywhere. And this is really cool because it literally has the rainbow flecks. I don't know if you can see it from over there. There's literally rainbow flecks in here already. Okay, so 2 eggs for this recipe. So 1/2 cup of water for this one. So we get that one in there, ready to go. And just a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna mix it before I get the electric blender thing. Whenever I do it and I haven't pre-mixed it, just so that it's sort of in a bit of a combined state already, it literally would just fly into my face, and then, you know, you get white powder all over your face and that's not looking good. So, you know, just to put people's minds at ease and my face, and so I don't sneeze everywhere, I'm just gonna mix it real quick first and make sure that it is all together and that no white powder will be springing up in my face. I think that baking is really good. Step out of where you are, especially if you're blocked right now and, you know, you're in a place where you're like, well, I've got nothing to do, and, you know, it's really challenging to find something easy and simple that I can, you know, and even if it's just one thing you do that day, this is just something really easy, and then you get to eat it afterward. Come on, like, and who doesn't love cake? I mean, seriously, you can get low-fat cakes too. This is not just like, you know, for super sugary, although this one is super sugary, don't tell anybody. Mix that quite a bit, which is good. Alrighty, let's just pop that spoon over there for now. So I've got my beater here. Alrighty, and as promised, we're gonna blare some music. Alright, we got it. It's all mixed and it's looking good, if I do say so myself. Yeah, looking really good. Alright, now we need to get it into our pans. Ooh, cake pan. Haha, cake pan. And so this is, I love this one, and the bottom pops out. Look at this. This is so cool because it's like, see? I'm not gonna spray it. A lot of times, you know, you spray it, you grease it, whatever. For me, it's just easier. I'm going to use baking paper. Okay. Fairy bread would go so well with this. Man, now I want fairy bread, you know what I'm saying? Oh, so good. And I think this pan is technically a little bit too big for the amount of mixture we had, but it's the only one I own. So It's the one we're using. We might end up with a really flat cake. Doesn't matter. It's all good. Doesn't matter. You know what? I think this baking paper was definitely a mistake. It's just not gonna work. So I'm back. I have decided that we're going to spray it after all, and we're going to use it after all, because the shape will just come out weird and it's just not going to work. I am the most wing it type of baker or cooker. Something goes wrong, no stress. Let's just wing it and figure out a way to fix it. Now, here we go again, take 2. It's always fun when you can find something interesting. All right, here we go. So now we're actually getting, woo, don't drop it, back into the pan. Life is full of mistakes, and we live, we learn. So there you go. Our cake, lovely, beautiful. It is going to take 30 to 35 minutes to bake. My oven has been on preheat, and so all I really have to do is put it in the oven and wait for it to cook. We are waiting for our cake to bake, so we're gonna make the icing. Like I said before, icing is really simple. So we are just gonna add icing sugar, which I've got here, in with some butter. But today, because we've got a rainbow themed cake, we are gonna add some really cool food coloring into our icing. Again, with the spoon, not prepared, although I thought I was. Well, we are Christy Grace Scarlet pen, so let's use the red. But I'm actually digging this color. This is a cool color. I like this. It's good. It's time to check our cake. It's been in there for a good amount of time. Because it is so thin, I'm taking it out a little bit early, and we're going to test it. In the middle, oh, it's spongy. Ooh, that's looking really clear. Up a little bit, I can see that I've already cut off not all of it. So we're gonna open it up and we'll see what we got, but the all likelihood is this is more like a cookie or a pancake. We're still decorating, but like I said, it's all about learning. So got our icing, which we made before. Woohoo! I am so glad that you checked out this video. Don't forget, join my readers list. If you join the readers list, you get to know about cool things like this way before everybody else, and you get to find out some really cool stuff, get discounts, get all sorts of things happening, because something really exciting is coming. And also my first book is coming too, so you want to keep in the know. You want to see all the really cool things that I'm doing. Now the moment of truth, we're going to cut this baby open and we're going to see what it looks like on the inside. I'm excited.